the thing is, Roadrunner's got like the one moment. Roadrunner, I have second.
Right up close.
Okay. I see why the other one was wilder.
This one won't move. It's
Oh, no.
It's just bumpy. It's still wild. A different kind. Oh, not good. This one it wants to injure me.
At least there's not a tree in the route this time.
I'd rather hit a tree than a concrete trough.
Oh.